Hey friends, this is Atif of your Val and welcome to the new update on SLP. SLP has recently broken out a very big descending triangle on the 7 days time frame chart. And while moving this triangle, we have also broken out this very long-term resistance of EMA 21, the exponential moving average 21. That was previously breaking as a very strong resistance, and now it can break as a very strong support. By the way, at this time, you can see that EMA 21 and the resistance of this triangle are almost at the same level. And for example, if the price and will be moved more down, you can see that it is rejected by this long-term resistance of $0.004. Therefore, if the price and will be moved more down to retest this previous resistance of the triangle as support, then it can also test this EMA 21 as a support as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous very big and long-term falling wedge patterns breakout as well. You can see that we have also broken out this falling wedge pattern. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for XRP, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 4th of November 2024. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well. Like this was a buying zone and sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. This was a very massive rally, by the way. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of SLP. And here on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that for several weeks a month, it had been moving inside this big and long-term descending triangle. Here we had the support of the triangle approximately at $0.0027. That was previously breaking as support here. After the breakdown, it was breaking at the resistance, and after the breakout, again, it is flipped into a nice and strong support zone. By the way, this level was also breaking as a recent swing low point before the breakout from this previous long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And now, after getting bounced on the support, we have finally broken out the resistance of this triangle. Now we need to break out this long-term resistance of $0.004. That was previously breaking out the resistance here, resistance here, resistance here. And now again, for the past several weeks, a month, it is working as a very strong resistance. Now, after this rejection, there is a probability that the price and may retest the previous resistance of the triangular support, along with this EMA 21 that was previously breaking as a very strong resistance here. And before that, it had been breaking as a very strong resistance here for several months. And here as a support, and again, it can work as a strong support for the price line of SLP, along with this support as well. The price can also test this support of $0.0027 as well. And now if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this triangle, by the way, that target uh, from this triangle, the breakout from this triangle is here. That is approximately at the 1.11 cents. And if the price reaches there, then we can also break out this long-term resistance zone as well. That starts from $0.0085 and goes to 1 cent. That was previously breaking as a resistance here. And before that, it had been working as a very strong support zone here as well. Now, if we take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, that target can be here at the top of the wedge, approximately at 40 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.